Oh, whoa. So I'm a member of the Bowtie SMP, and in said SMP, I'm teamed up with my friend Pepper, our friend Doodle, and our friend Mel, and our little area in the taiga biome. We are trying to summon this ghost figure that's like haunting our server. We just call him the ghost. And so earlier we were tasked with building a church. Doodle built it mostly, I helped a little bit. And under said church, Pepper came up with the idea to build this like little museum to dedicated to all the puzzle pieces we're collecting to be able to summon the ghost and bring him back to life. Um, make him corporeal. And so me and them, we started that last night at like, well, technically this morning as I'm recording this at 3 in the morning, basically. Um, and we were half asleep and bidding the whole time, and a really funny bit occurred, and um, yeah, this is what that bit is. You're gonna get both POVs. I hope you enjoy. Sans is the skeleton. He has a name, you know. It's Sans. Potatoes. I fall. Oh my god. Come over here and join in on the bits.
That's true. Bit City.
We're bidding it up. Oh my god, there's blocks fucking everywhere.
I don't remember if I told you this before, but there's this mystery that I've been wanting to figure out for so long, but I never will be able to. So before Bit City came out, I swear to God, I have a memory of watching 3 YouTubers joke about Bit City. Not like the Bit City, but the concept
Got
of Bit
a
City.
bit city.
And it was called Bit
Yeah.
City. And then Bit City became real on Smosh. But I can't tell if that was a Smosh video or someone else. I swear it was someone else, but there's no way that Coinky Dink could be that Coinky Dink. Because it was like
You'll have to ask. I feel
so
like ask
close.
around.
No. Guys, what's the origin of Bit City? Because it's like, I swear to fuck, I was watching a King Anna video, and her and the gang made that up.
Yeah.
Quite didn't acknowledge my joke. Yes, did I now? How dare you? How dare you? How fucking dare you? What are you giggling about?
You'll see. You'll see. You spell opposite.
OPPOOSITE.
I think I got
Opposite.
it. I think I got it.
Question mark.
Oh my god.
The ghost must be trolling us. One second. I need you to do something for me.
Yeah, what?
One second. Just come over here.
Where are you? I'm scared. Chat?
Okay, stand here. And now, be right back. I have to check something really quick. Where's my chest at? What are you doing? Okay, be right back. You stay there though. You stay there though. I want to make sure I do this right. Okay, hold up. Let me restart my game. I think this will work. Oh, damn it. Wait. Oh, stop.
Mo.
Yeah, no.
Mo.
Okay. Now, if I
What
load
TikToks
the game.
did Autumn send me?
Okay, now hopefully you stay there and then just keep facing forward. This is awesome. You facing forward? Yep. Bro, what was that? Bro, what was that? It was crazy.
Want me to record? You have to make of this. If anything, send me the file and I'll fucking edit it. I don't give a shit.
Oh, I'm crying.
Knew a bit was coming the second you said I need to check.
Damn it! It's fine. You weren't ready for that though. You weren't ready for that.
No. I thought you were gonna blow me up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I would never do that. I would never do that.
Speedrunning this shit. Oh my god. My mic on? Let's hope my mic is on. Yes, okay. Fuck. Yes. Fuck. Wait, why am I doing that? Fuck.
Hello? Bruh. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. What the fuck? Well, bruh. No, why am I hitting that again? There we go. Okay. If this bitch don't hurry their ass up, they said we'd go to bed at 2:30. You see that? It's now 2:37. And they're still not back. And I still can't give them the jump scare. Bruh. I hope they still don't have their headphones on. Fosty, if you have your headphones on right now and you hear me talking, I'm so sorry.
If I come back and this bitch is a skeleton, I'm killing myself.
Oh.
I am back.
Fuck you.
Fuck me. Fuck me. Why?
Did you not see?
Where's my Minecraft gone?
It just blinked you off.
Why? 1 second, I'm coming back.
Come back.
I don't know
because
why that happened. It'll take like 20 seconds. The face I'm making right now.
I'm just gonna stay right here.
You stay right there. You stay right there.
I don't think this is taking
right there.
this is taking 12 seconds.
Come on, Modrin. Come on. Here we go.
Oh my god. Da, 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 da. Hi.
It's still loading.
I'm loading.
You're hiding those in your ribs.
Hiding. Oh, where was I hiding my stuff? Up my ass.
You don't have an ass.
Oh my god, that was beautiful.
How did you find the same skin?
I ran to mine MC, dude.
Yeah, I have my headphones on.
Fuck, I should have kept recording. That'd be really funny if you admitting that.
Hey, I recorded.
Awesome.